Hi, this is a demonstration for the Fusion 3800 bifolding doors. Let's have a look at the details. The system is designed to stay as minimal and sleek as possible with the 30 mm profile details. You can go 1.2 meters wide per panel and a height of 3 meters. If there is a requirement for anything above 3 meters, we can enhance the system with structural fins that act as support, and you can go up to 5 meters in height with these systems. The door comes with various track options. So if you see here, this is a flushed track detail for the door where it stays flushed with your internal and external floor. You can also have the version that sits on top of your finish floor level. Also other versions which is semi-flushed. The doors operate incredibly smooth, all thanks to the steel wheel trolleys that the doors are equipped with. To ensure the security and stability of the panels when they're in closed position, every pair panel is equipped with an interlock in between. As you've seen now, the Fusion 3800 is a great addition to your commercial or residential properties, and we look forward to working with you.